Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So we can check the amount of steps taken in a few ways on this watch. The first way is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen of your watch and then check your watch face, some of the watch faces display the step counter. This one doesn't seem so to do it, so we can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Then we can scroll through it, look for the watch face that displays the steps, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And this one displays the step counter. It's hidden behind the watch hand right here, but it's 0 right now. Another way to check the steps is to open the activity widget, and you can do it by swiping up on the screen. And one of the widgets will look like this, and this is the activity widget, and here we have the steps. You can also tap on this widget to open the graph and more detailed information. And once you're done, you can press the back button. And last way to check it is to use the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. You can bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zepp application. In the app, you should see the home page. You can scroll through it, and somewhere on this page you will see the step category, and here we have steps counter, and you can tap on it to see more detailed information like graph for daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. So a lot of more information than only on the watch. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.